Alright guys, so here they are, the Quad Driver One More earbuds. Wow. Now I do have the triple driver versions and I'll bring those in a second, but right off the rip, when you hold these, you're going to be able to tell the difference between the triple drivers and the quad drivers. Just the design itself is feels a lot more premium, and coming in at about $100 more than the other ones, you would expect it to be so. These will run you about $170 compared to the $70 or $80 for the triple driver. But these right here have a nice weight to them. They feel and look really premium. And so basically what the triple driver is, you basically have mini speakers with tweeters pretty much all in your ear. And it's going to produce some fantastic sound. And here's the button layout here. Like with the other earbuds, you can make phone calls and anything like that. There's a microphone back there. And then here's the button layout here. This is just a much more premium design. It does have the tangle free. But overall, these buds just look and feel fantastic. So here's the L shape here for this one. We're going to plug these in. And again, with One More, they have these premium box setups. It's just incredible. You have a place to store your earbuds when they're not in use. And then also in their box, they give you a complete layout of everything that you need to know pretty much, from the schematics, the way it's put together, and you have the manuals in there as well. But this is actually really, really cool. And so when you're paying for something like this, you want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth, or you feel like you're getting your money's worth. And a great unboxing experience is definitely what you want. Now let's bring in the triple drivers. And you can see the difference in the triple drivers here. You can see they're built a lot different. And if you could hold these, you would know that they have a much more premium feel. And I'm sure they're going to sound a heck of a lot better. We're going to get into a sound test here at the end of this video. And I'm just going to give you my thoughts on the sound compared to the triple drivers. Now remember, these triple drivers sound amazing. A lot of you guys say that you already have these in the other video. And shout out to you. You guys can confirm these triple drivers are amazing. But let's check out the quad drivers right now. Alright guys, so I've been playing around with them for a little bit, listening to different genres of music and everything, and you probably can guess what I'm going to say, that these obviously are going to sound better than the triple drivers, but not by much. It's enough to warrant an upgrade in my opinion. If you've been following One More, which is apparently a lot of you guys have the triple drivers already, if you have the triple drivers, I think you'll be thoroughly impressed with the quad driver version of these. These are just absolutely fantastic. It's amazing the sound quality that comes from these when playing music. It's just unreal. Videos and everything, the quality, especially if you're listening to a movie, it's gonna really knock your socks off. Phone calls when I tested on the triple drivers were obviously fantastic, so I'll test them again because I've been actually using the triple drivers like regularly, and now I'm going to check out the quad driver version, the latest offering, one of the latest offerings from One More for phone calls and everything like that. I don't tell people what I'm using. I just, talk to them casually like I normally would. I don't even let them know whether it's a Bluetooth or whatever. They just know that it sounds clear. And people always tell me if something doesn't sound good, because they know I test a lot of phones and earbuds and headphones. And so they'll ask, are you using something different? But in most cases, when I was using the triple drivers, no complaints, man. HD calls, crystal clear, and I don't anticipating having a bad run with these quad drivers. These things are absolutely stunning, folks. Wow. Now you will pay a little bit higher price, but I have a code in the description that you can check out, Smartphone Conversations. Put that in and you should get a little bit of something off of that price. So you should be able to use that on the entire website. So purchase what you want at will. But shout out to One More for hooking up the quad drivers. These are actually really, really fantastic. And shout out to Stacy and Sarah for real. So yeah, I would definitely tell you guys, if you are a One More fan, and apparently, like I said before, I have a lot of people watching me that use the triple drivers. So if you have the quad drivers, confirm already in the comments what I'm saying here about the quality. If you don't have them and you've been on the fence, again, pop that code in when you go to the website, Smartphone Conversations, and you should get a little bit of discount off of these. Again, these are going to run you $169, but with the discount, you should be getting a really significant deal with 3.5 millimeters earbuds, because people still enjoy. Again, I've said it before, my main earphones are actually these Sonys right here that have a 3.5 mil headphone jack. These are my go-tos for sound, for testing sound, and they have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So a lot of people still use 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks for true sound, and I definitely can recommend these quad drivers at this point, man. It's your man Jay. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.